Meade Infinity 80 AZ Review 2026. Don't waste your money. For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using low-quality telescopes that can't even show you a decent view of the moon? But here's what surprised me about the Meade Infinity 80 AZ. It's actually one of the most affordable and user-friendly telescopes on the market. However, I'll get to the good stuff in just a minute. As an amateur astronomer myself, I've tried countless telescopes that promised the world but delivered nothing but blurry images and frustrating assembly processes. Therefore, when I got my hands on the Meade Infinity 80 AZ, I was skeptical at first. But what if I told you that this telescope is not just another overhyped product? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. The Meade Infinity 80 AZ comes with a sturdy adjustable tripod that allows for smooth panning and tracking. Therefore, even beginners can get started right away without feeling overwhelmed. But here's the thing, it's not just about the hardware, it's also about the software. The telescope is equipped with a built-in altazimuth mount that makes it easy to navigate through different celestial objects. But what really impressed me was the included Moon Map 260, which helps you locate over 260 craters on the moon. However, I noticed some users complaining about the limited object database, so let's dive deeper into this issue. One of the main concerns people have is that the Meade Infinity 80 AZ lacks advanced features like computerized go-to technology or high-contrast imaging capabilities. Therefore, if you're an experienced astronomer looking for a top-of-the-line telescope, you might want to keep looking. But here's what I found out: despite its limitations, this telescope is perfect for beginners who want a hassle-free stargazing experience. Let's break down the pros and cons of the Meade Infinity 80 AZ. On the plus side, it's extremely easy to set up, has a decent eyepiece quality, and comes with a generous warranty period. However, some users have reported issues with the tripod stability and the limited app support for the Moon Map 260. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about what really matters: performance. I tested the Meade Infinity 80 AZ under various conditions, from clear skies to light pollution, and here's what I found. While it's not a professional-grade telescope by any means, it still managed to deliver crisp images of the moon, planets, and even some distant stars. But before you rush out to buy this telescope, let me give you a warning: don't expect too much from its image quality in low-light conditions. Therefore, if you're planning on observing faint objects, you might want to consider a more advanced model. However, for casual stargazing and moon-gazing, the Meade Infinity 80 AZ delivers. In conclusion, I'd say that this telescope is perfect for beginners who want a hassle-free stargazing experience without breaking the bank. Therefore, if you're looking for a great entry-level telescope, click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. However, if you're an experienced astronomer or have specific requirements, I'd recommend exploring other options that cater to your needs. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Keep watching my channel for more unbiased reviews and product comparisons. The Meade Infinity 80 AZ might not be the best telescope on the market, but it's definitely a solid choice for those who are just starting out or looking for an affordable option. Therefore, don't waste your money on overpriced telescopes that promise the world but deliver nothing. Try the Meade Infinity 80 AZ instead.